So, I did it. You already knew this was going to happen because once I installed Android on this Nintendo Switch, I had to do this exact thing, which was get Windows 11 on the Switch too. And to be honest, it looks freaking amazing. You have this to control your mouse, which is always awesome, and any of your basics functionality for Windows on this device. So left hand corner, you have your Windows search bar, which, you know, if you use Windows, you already know what this is. You have all your applications here, your application folders, Life at a Glance, with all your specialized Gmail, Microsoft Store, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever. You have all your stuff on the left-hand side here, including, of course, actually, let me go back here, including all your, like, Windows, File Explorer, power button settings. You can also get to the settings in the right-hand side here by just clicking on that. You also get settings just like you would on a computer. You have your calendar right here. You also have Google Chrome, which obviously the most recent app. I have Chrome on my tab bar down here. So I click on that and it automatically opens up Chrome. And you can go ahead and exit out of it just like that. Go back and bam. And then if we go ahead and look at the files we have installed on here, we have users, this PC, themes, recycling bin, wallpaper, WhatsApp, YouTube, and Google. If I click on just the users, it also brings up this just like this, like it would on a normal computer. If I click on X, it X's out of it, obviously. You can go ahead and click on My PC, and that brings up my local C drive and also my SD card. Two separate, obviously one is the SD card and one is the actual drive on the device. Which is really freaking dope. Again, like I said, it's one of those things where it's like, it's not too crazy amazing, like, oh, he got Windows 11 on his Nintendo Switch, you know, but at the same time, it's something that should not be a thing, should not be existing, and that's why it's always fun for me to kind of look at these things, because it's just things you wouldn't think about, right? You wouldn't think about Surface Duo 2 having Windows 11, Surface Duo 1 having Windows 11, and you wouldn't think of it Nintendo Switch having Windows 11. So if I go ahead and click and hold, I can actually add, customize wallpaper, add widgets, desktop pages, desktop icons, create folder, refresh desktop and settings, which is really freaking dope. And again, like I said, it is a process to get all this installed, but once it does work and you get it all installed, it actually looks very, very good and operates very well. Now, of course, it isn't really logical to use on a Nintendo Switch. And again, you can't play any games if you're in this kind of launcher. That's why I would go back and switch back to my other launcher if I am using the Nintendo Switch here. But for what it is still a really dope idea / concept. You have Cortana right there that you can pull up. I don't think there's any microphones on the Nintendo Switch. I know there's no camera, so if I try to pull up a camera app, it's going to absolutely destroy itself. But for the most part, though, it is a pretty basic, you know, Windows 11 experience on your Nintendo Switch. And again, you get your little mouse, which I freaking love, and I think is absolutely freaking dope. So, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, though. I definitely want to hear it, because I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to probably try to install Windows 11 on every single device I possibly can. The Nintendo Switch is only the beginning. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.